Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting to talk about: small living room design with TV. Decorating a small living room poses unique challenges due to limited space. In our video, we will address these challenges and guide you on transforming your concept space into a cozy and functional haven. Specifically, focusing on incorporating a TV seamlessly, small living room often struggle with compared arrangement, making it essential to strike a balance between aesthetic and functionality. We will explore practical tips like wall mounting your TV to save floor space, choosing multifunctional furniture, arranging items strategically, utilize vertical space, and enhancing the ambience with clever lighting. Join us as we unrevive simple yet effective ideas to make the most of your small living room, creating a welcoming atmosphere centered around your TV. Let's turn concentrate into opportunities for stylish and comfortable living. In a small space, choosing furniture with dual purpose is crucial. Imagine a TV stand not only supporting your screen but also offering extra storage for DVDs, games, or even blankets. Similarly, a coffee table can go beyond holding your mug option for one that transforming into a desk for work or study. This smart approach maximizes functionality without sacrificing space. Let your furniture multitask. Consider a sofa with hidden storage or a ottomans that double as a side table. By showcasing example like these, I hope to inspire you to think creatively about your furniture choice. Small living room can be stylish and practical with the right mindset. It is all about making every piece count. Arrange furniture strategically is like creating a comfortable dance floor for your daily activities in your living room. Imagine placing your sofa, chairs, and tables in a way that feel natural and allow easy movement. This is not just about making your room look good, it is about making it work for you. By strategically placing furniture, you create a flow that prevent overcrowding, making the room feel open and inviting. Picture it as a puzzle where each piece fit perfectly, allowing you to move around effortlessly. Visual ads or graphics can be your helpful dance chromography guide, showing you where to place each piece for a best functionality and style. So arranging furniture is not just about design, it is about making your space dance ready for your daily routine. Utilizing vertical space is a smart trick for both practical storage and stylish decor. Instead of crowding the floor, consider installing floating shelves or wall-mounted cabinets to make the most of unused wall areas. This not only keeps your space organized but also create a visual appealing setup option for sleek and functional storage solution that complement your overall design to enhance the aesthetics appeal. Sprinkle decorative elements like frame photo, plants, or art pieces on these shelves. This way, you are not only maximizing storage but also turning your wall into a canvas for personal expressions. It is simple yet effective way to keep your small living room both functional and beautiful. In a small living room, lighting plays a crucial role in transforming the space into a cozy haven. It is essential to understand the significance of proper lighting to enhance the overall ambience. Consider a balanced mix of ambient task and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting provides a general illumination. Task lighting serve specific purpose like reading, and accent lighting adds a touch of style. Option for affordable yet stylish lighting option suitable for smaller space such as LED strip lights, wall skins, or compact table lamps. These choices not only brighten up the room but also add a decorative flair, making your small living area feel comfortable and visual appealing. So, in simple terms, if you like that you saw, make sure the sign up for more, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your buddies if you think they had like it too.